behind me. Of course, they're not going out. But what we're here to see is the first stage of the SpaceX, which is coming in.
So this is SpaceX first stage booster B1051.7. That is 7 flights and landings. Second booster in the SpaceX fleet to have 7 flights. So this is a second historic moment for SpaceX, and hope you enjoy the view.
As you can see, that thing is leaning right on the edge at about a 10-degree angle, coming back from its 300-mile journey from the Atlantic Ocean. A lot of photographers out here taking pictures of this drone ship and the rocket on top. See all the burn marks of the Falcon 9. That crane over there, that's the one that takes the Falcon off the drone ship. This Falcon 9 has been to space 7 times. It's definitely got a pretty good lean on there, about 10 degrees, but they said it could go to about 30 degrees. I don't think they want that, but they had to have it. They can still stay on the ship there at a 30-degree angle. The weather has definitely improved from earlier today, where it was raining and foggy, very windy. Still pretty windy out, but the sun is out. Well, they've come to a stop right there now. They're maneuvering over to the dock, which is right there. They're going to spin this around because if they leave it, if they bring it into the dock like that, the crane has to go over further. So they're going to turn it around. That way the rocket there is closer to the crane. There's a bug crossing. Slowly turning it around. Well, they've almost got it turned around, and they'll start making their way towards the crane. Almost there. They have about, looks like 50 feet left. And they are there and docked. Pretty interesting to watch that if you've never seen it before. But it's amazing that that thing is leaning about 10 degrees and still on there. It's just on the edge, which is why they had to turn it around, so that crane could hook up to it. Well, that was pretty cool. Never seen it come in on the drone ship. I've seen it out here when I've been out here a few times, but I actually was out here just to take a picture of the Disney Dream cruise ship in that nasty weather that we saw earlier. But I was talking to a gentleman out here, and I was asking him, he had all this camera gear, and he told me that the first stage was coming in, and so I waited out here with him. The sun finally came out. So that was pretty cool to see that. Of course, it landed on the edge of the ship. That's why it was leaning on a 10-degree angle. But still pretty neat. A lot of people out here. Sorry for all the wind noise, but I didn't bring the right microphone. All right, and on that note, Traveler out.